So we definitely want to provide some education, um, because if this has happened once, there's a big chance that it might happen again, and we want them to be prepared the next time, or even more prepared than they were this time. So we want to stress the importance of building up your own emergency supply kit. Um, have your medicine, your emergency first aid, um, things in that kit. Have a stock of non-perishable food and water. You want to protect important documents and personal items so that they don't get ruined in the event. You want to have flashlight, or some type of power source. And don't forget to have extra batteries and pack extra batteries. You want to be alert, so turn on your TV or your radio, wherever you get your news updates and weather updates from, so you're in tune and you're aware of the changes. You want to be ready to evacuate, so fill up your gas tank, make sure your house is in good condition. If you can board up the windows and doors, do so. Have your emergency phone numbers in an area where you know and you can get to it if you need them. Especially this is for our elderly and those who are disabled or have other medical conditions.